I'm Mike Mondello from SeaBear.
I'm Chef Dominique.
You know, most of the seafood in this country is eaten at restaurants, as people are just not comfortable shopping for seafood and preparing it at home and serving to their family and friends. So Dominique and I want to give you some tips today on how to make a truly restaurant quality meal at home that you'll be proud to serve to your family and friends.
It all starts with a great quality of fish. The fish should have a sweet, fresh smell. And look at the color of the salmon, a deep red color and snowy white for the halibut. The way I like to cook it is very simple. You use cold fish, cold pan, hot oven. I use a little bit of olive oil. Take the fish and rub it in both sides. And a little bit of salt and pepper, and it is ready for the oven.
And remember, go slow. We recommend 275 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes or so, depending on your personal taste and your oven. When the fish is changed from translucent to mostly opaque, it's done and you're ready to go. Once your seafood is cooked perfectly, now it's showtime. That's why Dominique and I will share with you a series of tips for easy, simple, beautiful presentation to your guests. Top your salmon with a colorful mango salsa. We made this one fresh with mangoes, red onion, cilantro, and a splash of orange juice.
Here is what I like to do with halibut. It was baked with heirloom tomatoes and seasoning, steamed asparagus, and now let us add a little bit of pesto on the top. Here you have it.
If you like ginger, you'll love this simple glaze idea. We've mixed a generous amount of fresh grated ginger with our favorite honey, and now we brush it on right before serving. It melts over the hot salmon.
Here is a nice summer idea. We complemented this baked salmon with Greek yogurt, to which we added dill, lemon, garlic, and a dash of cream if you like. Bon appétit!
The soft flavor of halibut makes it perfect for bold toppings. Here, we're using a Mediterranean mix of Spanish olives, feta cheese, roasted tomato, and a little bit of olive oil. Delicious. Well, I hope we've given you a few simple ideas for how to serve a spectacular seafood dinner at home.
And finally the wine. With halibut I prefer Pinot Gris.
And I love the classic Northwest combination of wild salmon and a beautiful Pinot Noir. Cheers! Cheers.